I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you want.
Okay, so let's start with, we're going to do, how many examples do you want? Two examples. Why not two examples?
Can do two examples because they are rolling up to take 30 minutes. Yeah. Two.
Let's do two examples. So here's the first one.
Yes.
Let me draw the first one on the board here, right?
So for the yes. Yeah.
It's okay. Vt is equals to 20 volts, and then C is equals to 0.1 microfarads, and then R is equals to 10 ohms, L is equals to 63.3 millihenry. Okay, there's a lot of questions here. The first question says calculate number one, resonant frequency, right? First question says calculate resonant frequency. Second question says calculate the current through the coil. So the second one wants us to calculate IC. Number three is saying calculate, the coil, IL. Next one is IC. Number four is saying calculate dynamic impedance, which is ZD. Number five, saying calculate the total current, which is IT. Then the last one, draw the phasor diagram. We've been drawing the phasor diagram for the whole day. I think we've drawn all the phasor diagram straight. So let's start with the resonant frequency. I think resonant frequency is the easiest one, right?
Yes.
Which is FR is equals to 1 over 2 pi root of LC. Are we together?
Yes.
And L and C is already given. So it's going to be 1 over 2 multiplied by pi multiplied by, the value for L is given at 63.3 times 10 to the power negative 3 times 0.1 times 10 to the power negative 6. Like this. What do you get your answer as? I got the answer. If I'm not awesome, tell me who's not awesome than me. What's the answer? 2000, right?
Yeah, 2000.
2000 hertz. Or in other words, this one you can write this 2 kilohertz, which is completely fine as well. Are we together? Okay, let's do the next one. The next one, calculate the current that is passing through the coil, the inductor. Are we together?
Yes.
Calculate the current passing through the inductor. Now, there are two ways in which you can do this.
Using formula.
Two ways in which you can do this. But we need to calculate XL and XC. Right?
Yes.
So let's start by calculating X. They say through the inductor. So let's start by calculating XC, XL, which is 2 pi FL, which is 2 times pi times multiplied by L, which is 63.3 millihenry, or times 10 to the power negative 3. What do you get?
795, 051.
051 ohms.
Yeah.
It's perfect. Alright, let's calculate Z.
Okay.
Now let's calculate Z. Z is going to be equal to R squared plus XL squared, which is going to be 10 squared plus 795.051 squared. What do you get your answer as?
795.
795,113
or 114.
Okay. Now we're very tired now, eh?
Yeah.
So this is IL.
Too.
It's hot. IL is equals to 20 divided by 795.113. What do you get your answer?
0.025.
25 amps, right?
Yes.
That's correct. Let's do the next one as well. The next one is XC, which is 1 over 2 pi FC, which is equals to 1 over 2 times pi times 2000 times 0.1 times 10 to the power negative 6. What do you get?
795,77.
You get?
795,775. Is it wrong?
No, it's very correct. The reason why I'm laughing is because I'm such an idiot.
Oh, no.
Because the resonant frequency, that means the same. You got 7.
Oh, 95,775.
Yeah. The reason why I'm laughing is because it's a resonant frequency.
Oh.
Okay, so let us calculate IC.
Okay.
So, but IC is not going to be the same though because there's a resistor there. So you're going to divide this by 795.775. Or in other words, this is coming from VT over XC. This is coming from VT over Z.
Okay, is 0,025.
That's also correct. I thought the answers would be different, but the answers are also the same.
Wow,
Which means it's correct. And let's do dynamic impedance and then we'll be done. Because total current, since it's at resonance, IC is going in the opposite direction of IL. So IT is equals to 0.
Just like that. Because the minus.
Yeah, they minus each other. So let's do dynamic impedance then. ZD is equals to L over CR. Now these are the formulas that I don't know with my head. So for L it's 63.3 times 10 to the power negative 3, all divided by 0.1 times 10 to the power negative 6, multiplied by R, which is 10. I got 63,300. Let me check the textbook.
We have.
Yes, that's the same one that I got. That's the same one that the textbook got as well. 63,300.